A female honeybee, also known as a worker bee, is the smallest bee in the hive. She's also the hairiest, which helps her to collect pollen. She has a stinger and uses it to protect her hive from intruders, like this yellow jacket. A male bee, also known as a drone, has a wider and barrel shaped abdomen. He isn't as hairy, so he doesn't collect pollen. He has bigger eyes, twice as big as a female bee. This helps him locate a queen when it's time to mate. He does not have a stinger, so he can't really defend himself. It's a huge risk for a male bee to leave his hive, so the majority of bees you see out foraging are worker bees. But if you do see a male out and about, he's on his mission to find a queen.